clouds.
Yeah.
Sun's just starting to come up. It's Friday, November 29th, about 7:30 in the morning.
Day after Thanksgiving.
Day after Thanksgiving. We got
Merry Thanksgiving to everybody, by the way.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We got ourselves some winter driving.
Yeah, a little bit.
Been checking the weather because we're gonna have to come back through here tomorrow after we pick our load up tomorrow night. And it's supposed to be a blizzard, so that'll be fun.
Yeah, it looks like we'll make it through. Oh, by the way, anybody want to know of my classic hairdo? Thanks, wife.
You're welcome.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah, it looks like we'll make the trip back. We're gonna stay just ahead of this blizzard that's coming in. Hopefully get across South Dakota today and back over towards Iowa later.
Yeah, we'll be
by tonight. Get ahead of this storm, but on the way back.
Yeah, we're gonna hit it on the way back.
We're gonna hit full frontal blizzard going Montana, Wyoming, and South Dakota. It looks like. So
yeah, because it's what the blizzard warning's in effect until Sunday morning at 6 a.m.
Yeah, so we might hit a wall somewhere that might have to camp out for a little bit on the way back for their next load. So
yeah.
And everybody just out here doing the turtle race. We're doing 50, 55 mile an hour.
Well, and the thing is the roads aren't even bad. They just got some snowing, blowing snow, some snowing blow.
Yeah. Well, and like this guy in front of us, he passed me earlier doing like 65, 70 mile an hour in the fast lane. It was all snow covered. That drove me off the damn road because all the snow he kicked up, all the powder.
Yeah, they couldn't see.
I couldn't see anything.
Gave like a whiteout.
Because then as soon as he got past me, he stayed in that lane for a minute and totally just powdered the whole freeway. And plus I had cars around me too while we were going through Bozeman. Bozeman.
Yeah.
Yeah, screwed everything. Now he's up there creeping along 45, 50, stuff like that. It's like, whatever, dude. Billings 109. It's good times.
Yeah. So some more treacherous road conditions to come.
Blizzard of the century.
Oh no.
Do I look like a Viking now?
Yeah. No more video for you.
What?
I'm just joking. Like, you in the video.
Can't be showing off my dome, eh? Yeah, you're saying, you think I look good with this?
Yeah.
I look hardcore. all the biatches are gonna be after me now because I'm so good looking. Trust me. Cue ball with pubes on his face.
No, it should be, trust me, babe, I only love you.
It's not the appeal.
Have to get you a plaid shirt.
See, there he goes again. Just kicking up all this powder. Although this guy in front of us, he's been going super slow. Like now you can't even see anything now. So.
Yeah. But it's like, yeah, we were on the 80 going across Nevada towards Reno, and somebody passed me like that, and it got so whited out for so long I couldn't even see the road anymore. I didn't know if it twisted or turned or went straight, or I like almost had to come to a complete stop because I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, the problem is too, we're empty, so
yeah,
the roads are super slick. Well, it's gotten up to 20 degrees. It was down to about 10 degrees earlier. The sun's starting to come up, so it'll start warming up a little bit. But
yeah, last night in some spots it got down to negative.
yeah, we got -1 or -2 last night.
Yeah. Well, so I guess we'll come back to this in a little bit, huh?
Yeah, it's just gonna stay like this for a while. See about passing this dude in a minute.
Yeah. Alrighty.
ice right now. I'm sliding all over the road.
Yeah, we're going like super slow and
About
sliding
40.
everywhere.
Just trying to keep a little momentum going up these hills. We're in Wyoming right now.
And we just came out of Sheridan, so.
We're past Buffalo now.
Oh, we're past Buffalo?
You'll see right now, probably I'll start sliding out.
Yeah.
You can see.
Yeah, it's no joke.
Nobody is immune to it.
Yeah, this looks like it just happened.
Yeah.
That sucks. This ain't even nothing yet.
Nope. The blizzard's dropping in tonight.
Yeah.
It's going to sweep all the way across South Dakota and everything while you're driving.
Yeah.
But probably, I would imagine by the looks of it, it's going to be pretty heavy too. I wouldn't be surprised if we end up getting shut down.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I've been sliding out like crazy.
Yeah, he's even got the.
I got the differentials locked in. Just cruising along. Just taking it easy. I've been fishtailing a lot though.
Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to sleep. I couldn't sleep.
You can feel the truck kick out. Like right now, every little bridge gets a little spin.
Yeah, when they had those little signs that said bridge might be icy, you think, because they never are. Well, guess what? Today they are.
Today. I can only stress, hey, Montana, Wyoming.
Use some salt.
Use some salt, man. This is all totally avoidable with some salt.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
it's down around freezing right now. If you had salt on the road, this wouldn't even be an issue. Stupid.
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll be back with more, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
So we start slipping out here in a second.
Yeah, we're gonna go up a hill.
Just turn your mirror heat on. Yeah. See, I'll put my arm on the door. See if I can get this steady so we can see if it wiggles or not.
See if I can fishtail it a little bit.
No, not on purpose. I don't know. Looking pretty good. Thank goodness.
Yeah, it's just got that little thin layer of frozen rain on it, you know, it's like,
Yeah.
just screws it.
Yeah, we were reading the Weather Channel's warning, and it's supposed to drizzle and make ice, and then later on it's going to put a foot of snow on top of the 1 to 3 inch layer of ice. That's
Well, the snow would be better.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, but it's supposed to accumulate around Rapid City, 1 to 3 inches of ice on the road, and then it's going to dump a foot of snow on top of that. So, super duper.
well, at least by the time we get over to Rapid City right now, it looks like it's going to get real bad. We may just shut down. Is what the storm's going to blow through by
Sunday morning. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a good idea to shut down if we don't need to.
Well,
I mean,
as much as we're slipping around, I've probably avoided pretty good slide outs half a dozen times now. Just because we're empty too.
yeah. See if I can pull up the radar. Notice the time by 8 o'clock tonight. It's all done, son. For my whole entire drive. Yikes.
So well, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Rapid City, we have some facilities there. If it looks like it's going to get real bad, that's the whole point of trip planning, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to be unsafe. Take it all into consideration. Icy roads, we're empty.
Yeah. Well, and two, like looking at this, it's
They're
like
forecasting possibly shutting down the roads too. It's better to get somewhere, stay put,
yeah,
wait it out. You know, it's what it is.
yeah, and like you know, we had to make the decision to go the 90 or the 80, and this was actually the better way to go back to Illinois this time. So that tells you something.
Well, it is what it is, man.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess we'll be check back. Out.
So we just came downstairs to take the dogs out. I guess we're not going out this way.
Yeah.
Look at that, man.
That's a couple feet.
That's a couple feet deep right there. Let's go try another door.
Oh yeah, we can get out.
Then we get out this one.
Oh, well, we can get out this door, but look, it's like feet deep.
Oh, dang, dude. Well, crap. Yeah, I don't know where we're going to take the dogs out.
We're just going to have to stand right here and let them walk around in the snow. Because...
Want to give it a try, girl? Come on, girl. Let's go. Good girl. She's like, I'm out. We got a little water park here. Yeah. I should trump over, see if I see the truck, how buried it is.
It's like really deep.
Yeah.
You're going to have to go to back to the roof, take it all off so don't get soaking wet. Look, Lila's trying to follow you.
You trying, girl? You trying? She's totally just, she's a little snow bunny now. That's going out. Oof. Blinding, man. It's hitting me right in the eyes. Yep, it's super piled up. Totally wide out. Back in. I'm coming. That's some serious. Yeah, we got about 2 foot. Sorry, I walked away with the room key, left your cheese out in the wind. The wind's blowing us shut hard. What's up, dogs?
That's crazy. But how much of the truck's covered? A lot? You're about to start it.
Yeah, I'm gonna start up in a little while. We got the APU going right now, but I'll go out there and crank it.
You can only go for so many hours.
Yeah.
Probably within an hour or two, we need to get the stores up.
Sheep.
Yep. Okay, I don't blame her.
This dude's trying to back out. Ain't happening, bro. There you go. I mean, you can kind of get into a wiggle, you know.
Yeah, but I mean, like, the whole parking lot's feet deep, so it's like...
Yeah, he's in a car, man. I saw that pickup outside, out by the truck a little bit ago.
Yeah, but he's really fortunate enough to be on top of the pack, too, you know? So
Yeah.
the car was already dug in.
This dude's just digging heat holes now. And plus, too, it's all ice underneath it.
Yeah.
And all that freezing rain. Hilarious. Oops. Now you're all good and stuck, bro. All right, good times.
Yep. Trying to see how deep the snow is by the sign here.
So deep. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Yeah, you will. Well, you're probably not even to the ground, are you?
No. It's good waist deep.
Right?
Good 3 feet.
There's this sign right here. That's hilarious.
Holy shit, dude.
You're gonna get there and then...
I gotta still go back.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
There's totally ice on my balls. Totally teabagging this whole thing.
I'll run you a hot bath. Holy moly, man. Are you touching the ground yet?
No.
No?
Probably got. I'm totally packing it.
I wonder if when you get close to the sign, like if you jump up and down, try to like twist around.
Why you?
Holy cow, man. That's hilarious.
What's that?
What's up?
What's going on?
That's a hell of a snow angel.
What are you doing? It's a little chilly out here.
A little bit. That's hilarious.
So, what's up?
Nothing. That's quite a bit of snow there.
Dude, it is deep. I mean, consider this sign is probably a good 6 feet high.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting on top of it.
Are you getting warm yet?
My balls are freezing.
Well, then get out of there. Well, that would suck if
Stick it
it's
to her like a flagpole, you know?
right.
Where to go?
Try, I guess,
Like I'm
turn.
gonna suck my shoe off.
Oh no. I guess try to walk in your same spots.
Alright, here I go.
What the heck are you doing?
Oh man, that's so cold. Alright, fun time over.
That's funny. I wonder if all that'll be gone in the morning. No, I mean all your holes, if they'll all be buried. Well, that is some deep ass snow. Look, that car over there is completely covered. And that one car, it got stuck. It never made it. So I guess we'll see Jeremy when he gets back to the room.
The card wouldn't work in the door down there.
Oh no.
I'm like, you hear me yelling for you?
I thought I heard you yelling.
Oh, I opened the door. Hands freezing.
Did somebody let you in, or did it end up working?
No, I was yelling for you and I came back and it worked.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I came right over to see you come in the door, and I thought I heard you yelling. I just went over there to look, and then I heard the door.
Should wear some gloves.
Yeah, we had those snow gloves.
There's some people in the downstairs door watching me.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. No. Like, are these guys stupid or what?
Did you get big old ass ice chunks hanging off of you?
Oh man, it's getting cold real quick.
Was it? I bet you're all soaking wet now, huh?
Not too bad. The powder was pretty dry.
Yeah?
Yeah, just... Oh man, my hands are freezing.
Oh,
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
it was fun though, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Cold.
Yeah. Out.
Well, here it is, Sunday morning. Whoop. A little bit slick. You see here, that is up to my stomach. Pretty good accumulations of snow out here. I just came over and got running around a little bobcat, scooping everything out. We got here Friday night, there was no snow on the ground, and here we are now. Crazy. Turned out to be a pretty bad storm. Oh crap. Alright. Totally mounded up. I'd have to say, unless I can back up, I ain't getting out of here. Great. Make sure I don't fall. Doesn't really matter. We might even end up being stuck here the rest of the day anyways, because the roads are still closed. Looks like it's going to take quite some time. They got things kind of moving around Rapid City right now, but the rest of I-90 across the state's screwed. Everything's still closed. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a run and start this when I try to leave. Looks like I can back up all right for a minute. Try and get out around this. Man, what a storm. What a bunch of dicks, dude. Just pile it all out right here at the bumper. Jerks. Here you can see though. Nice big old storm. Yeah. Sun's out today though. Weather's broke up. See if we can get moving. Check back. Yep, it's out here doing it. So there's a road right here we got to go out on. These guys are out here clearing it right now, but even then, with all this in front of us and everything, I don't know how the hell we're even going to get out of here. Even on the right side over here, we got a big old mound. It's like we're kind of boxed in. Because then we got to go out right here, and there's no way I'm making that turn. I'm going to have to back up,
Go around it,
cut to the right, and haul ass out of here. Just come around right here and just blaze on out. Probably take a left, because right down here, this street goes into a pretty good hill, so I don't want to go down there either. A lot of snow. Trying to get it cleaned up though. Be alright. Roads are still showing closed all the way across South Dakota though, so ain't no rush. If it gets bad enough later on today and nothing gets reopened, just go get another room, I guess. Hang out. Right?
Right. Now you got these big old trucks over there. Dude in the black Dodge, thinking he's all cool, fucking dragging people out of the snow.
Yeah, a guy in the black Dodge driving around out there. He's all pulling people out and everything and blazing around like he's Mr. Stud.
Yeah, he's just hauling ass through all that thick snow like it's nothing funny.
Yeah, we gonna do. I got me a Hemi. All right, good times.
All right, here we go.
Yep. So do a little look around. You can see on the right. I'll worry about it.
All right.
You can see on the right below us here. There's a big old barn right there.
Yeah.
My left side back here, so I'm going to cut it a little bit. But ultimately, I'm going to back up right now. I'm going to cut to the right and try to do a wide swing out of here and just spin it. And I got to make a left out on this road. You can see there's snow right here. There's some snow bordering on the road over there, stuff like that. Plus, we're empty, so
Yeah, but
that's where the problem is coming in.
it's looking like the ground's wetter. So.
Let's see what we can do with this action.
See in the mirror. Yeah, you can tell there's a big old hill down there.
So you're spinning out there.
Yay! Then we're gonna go left here again, and gotta go down to the next exit is basically what we gotta do. Yay! Stinky dogs. Well, you can see it's a nice South Dakota morning after a blizzard.
Yeah, it ain't bad.
I like the snow. Well, I guess we're good then for now, huh?
About it.
All right, we'll be back. Out.
With turquoise and real diamonds.